Today our topic is life cycle of moss. Before starting the life cycle of moss, here I want to discuss some important points that sporophyte body, which is diploid in number 2n, will convert into the spores through meiosis. It is a sporophyte body. It will convert into spore through during the meiosis. So it's a constant thing that when a sporophyte body convert into the spore, then meiosis will happen. Okay, through the meiosis it will be convert. So if we talk about the gametophyte generation, which is n in number, okay, it will convert into gametes, but through the mitosis. So this is the constant thing that in gametophyte generation mitosis will occur and in sporophyte the meiosis will occur. Now the talking about the structure of the male gamete, which is antheridia, which produce millions of sperms, and the female structure known as archegonia, which will produce one egg. Okay, here one sperm, millions of sperms will be, okay, not one sperm, millions of the sperms will be produced and which are motile. Okay, and one egg, this is non-motile. Now let's talk about the uh, male plant. Now this is the female part. This sign is of male, okay, and this sign is the female, means it is the male plant. So the male, the sign of the male is this, okay. So it is the male, the sign of the male. So it will be called as the antheridia, okay, and it will be called as archegonia. Archegonia means female, and this is the sign of female, okay. So now it is all n number and it is also an n in number, okay. Now what will happen now? Biflagellated sperms will swim in water, okay. So here biflagellated sperms will swim in water, and archegonia will produce a fragrance of sugarcane, and it will give signal to the sperm, okay. It will signal to the sperm, so sperm will move to the archegonia, okay. Okay, for the fertilization, and this will be called as the chemotactic movement. Chemotactic movement. Sperm will move through the sperm will move towards the archegonia by the frag, uh, fragrance of the sugarcane, we can say that, or any chemical, okay, any chemical will also be there. Now let's talk about some important points, that what is monoecious and what is dioecious. So in monoecious, on one plant body, both sex organ will be present. Okay, and in dioecious but different on different positions. But in dioecious the plant is separate. Okay, the plant is separate, and one on one plant one sex organ is present, and on second plant second will be present na. So that will be called as the dioecious. Okay, so here the male part Antheridia. Now we are going to discuss the life cycle of moss. Okay, life cycle of moss. And as you all know that moss is belonging to the Bryopsida. Okay, Bryopsida. And here protogamous, I forget to tell you that what is protogamous. In this the male part is male part will the mature earlier than the female part. Okay, so Antheridia and Archegonia.